This video will show you how to clean the drain for prep tables, undercounters, and chef base units. Here are the units that this video can be applied to. Here are the tools that require for this tutorial. And please wear gloves to prevent any injuries. To begin, please unplug the power cord for your safety. First, remove all screws that hold grills onto the units. Pull off drain hose and clean the inside using straw cleaner or drain snake. Then, clean the tube inside the unit. Once both pieces are cleaned, reinstall the white hose to the tube. Make sure to place the drain hose back into the drain pan located below. Install the grill back into the units. Thank you for watching.